Okay, in this part of the course we're going to talk about what we get in our kit. That's a complete kit for everything we need for the class. As you can see, there are 6 pen blanks in it, along with the pen kits. There are 6 pen kits in it. As we pull those out, we can take a look at them, we can organize them. We've got 2 chrome kits, 2 gold kits, and 2 gunmetal kits. And these are the Classica Apprentice pen kits. They're a good quality pen kit. They're definitely a step up from the slim line or the small kits. And then also included in the package are 2 extra barrels for making additional pens, or if you mess up, or if you want to make a pen that is walnut and then make a pen that's marble or maple. You can take and change the pen kit out, and then here's a set of bushings, and the bushings are what are needed to mount the tube, which the wood is glued onto it, on the lathe. They go on the pen mandrel, and then the last thing included in the kit is a 27/64 drill bit, which is needed to drill the wood out. And so with this kit, with this package, we have the 6 pen kits, extra tubes, and enough wood to make 12 pens actually. So you don't need to worry about messing one up if you get a catch or something splits or you just don't like the look of it. You cut these right down the middle and re-glue it. Part of the class will also go through how to assemble the pens and how to disassemble the pens. But anyway, that's a quick overview of everything you get with the course and what you're going to need.